Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make this adorably super stuffed full envelope stuffed with ephemera, frames, notes, lots of writing space with 3 entire scrapbook pages. Do you ever wonder what to do with those cut aparts? We're going to use an entire page of strips, an entire page of frames, and then the outside of our envelope and some of the rest of the ephemera be from one of the pages. So grab your 3 pages and let's get making. What you're going to want to do is separate a few cut aparts. These are single-sided, which is totally fine. You don't want a directional, but this one is kind of fine because they do go either way and everything's gonna fold together. Cut your strips apart. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use my scissors and I'm gonna cut around these. While I cut a few of these out, I'm going to take some time to remind you to go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can get notified when new content comes out. Share with your friends if you like my content, and leave me a comment below. It really helps my channel. If you'd like to buy me a coffee, the link is in the description box. Thank you. Okay, so we've got all of our cutouts here and a few strips. And now we've got our big 12 by 12. Now, what I'm gonna do is cut this down. We want it to be a rectangle, so the bigger the paper is, the larger your rectangle is gonna be. I'm gonna cut 4 inches off of it. So this is gonna end up being a 8 by 12. Now your decorative side is gonna be the back side. So you're gonna flip your paper around. And now we're gonna take one corner and bring it up to the next corner. Now, see how our page is crooked? That's totally fine. If you want it to be straight and you want these to be 2 different heights, then you can do it that way. Or you can make your paper a little bit more narrow so that way they can come up to the same height. I'm gonna make mine a little bit staggered. So something like that. Okay, and now we're just gonna fold our sides into thirds. So somewhat up to here. There's no measurements here, guys. Everything works however you like it. Okay, and this one's gonna come in also. There we go. And then now this side will tuck into here. See, just like that. And we're gonna glue the bottom shut. So that way whatever we put in here doesn't like fall through. Unless you wanna glue this down and use it like a belly band in your journal, which is totally fine. But this is gonna be freestanding. So we're gonna glue this together. And now we have our tucks. So you can glue this in if you want, right here. Now, if you glue that in, you're gonna lose this little teeny tiny tuck spot. So that's kind of up to you if you want to lose that spot or not. I think I'm gonna lose that spot and then put even maybe another pocket up here in front. And I'm gonna distress the edges. I'm gonna distress with Morning Mist. Oh, I think I grabbed my black dauber. That's okay. I'll just be extra light. And now we have all of our inserts. Oh, which I should distress also. Now I'm going to do these front and back so that the back can be used for like writing space. Okay, so now that we've got our pocket full of frames, we can go ahead and decorate the outside a little bit more. We can put this on the bottom. We can put this one on the bottom. No, that's too much flower. I like this one. How about this one since it matches? Don't like that one either. I like this one here, so I'm gonna take that one out. Let's get those edges. Don't forget the edges of this. I'm gonna leave an ever so slight edge right there just to give it a little bit of an extra oomph. So I think it's cute. Okay, I like that. I think that's adorable. See how easy and beautiful you can make things just with that pocket. Now we can make a tag. We can put a tag in here. Yes, we sure can. Okay. We're gonna put the tag in there. Oops. Let's have it pop through like this. Kind of break it up a little bit. There we go. And then we can make a smaller tag out of this one. We can make it like a little book. Let's do that. Fold it in half. And let's get our little corner punch. We'll punch out the edges. And now we have a cute little flip out, fold out book thing. Whatever it is. I'm gonna do the back too. Or the inside, I mean. This will be the inside. There we go. Look how cute that is. Let's punch a hole in here. And let's put some twine. A little bit. Just a little bit. There we go. That's cute. Not too bad, huh? Not too bad. See what we made? Okay, so we've got an extra little piece to go inside of here. And now let's see what else we can make with this stuff. Thank you everyone so much for being here and checking out what I've made for you. For the next minute and a half will be a time lapse of the other items that I've made to go ahead and fill the envelope. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that like, share it if you can, leave me a comment. Let me know if you got to make one of these, and I will see you next time.